Looking for a great deal? Can't afford what you see online? Maybe it's what you know, not who you know. How can you use your skills to save you money? You're watching American Roots. Super exciting. We just got some new axles delivered, some parts for the Polaris. Now we're gonna get this thing spruced up. This one's heavy. I need Joe's help. This is the axles for the Polaris. Thanks. So I just got home from work. What are you doing?
Put this back together.
What is it? What is that?
The CD axle and new bearings.
Nice. You had to do both sides?
Yep.
Were they bad?
Yeah, the axles were definitely bad.
How could you tell?
The boots are ripped.
Oh. So does that mean it was driven too hard?
No, just wear and tear.
Oh.
Messes up the axle.
What does grime?
The grime gets in there, yeah.
Yeah. Nice. It's coming along. He has the whole back end taken apart. He went to try to put in new axles and
It was clanking.
still clanking. He's replaced a differential, I think.
Yeah. It's this.
And now we're working on the transmission, he said. Getting that out, so.
Great. It's clanking somewhere else. I don't know where it was.
If your Polaris is making a crazy noise when you drive it, this could possibly be the problem. Sway bar bushing.
Marshall bought this Polaris for $3,000 out of a local ad here in Phoenix. He was able to fix some of the things. They said that like a wheel bearing was bad, but as he got into like the differential and things like that, he started finding out that it really wasn't the wheel bearings. So he ended up, I think, replacing some axles. He put a new bumper on with a winch. He added a windshield. Just really spruced it up. So it's been able to be an asset for a very inexpensive price. So it's not necessarily, going out and paying brand new prices for something, but looking how you can use your skills to help save you money. And, his being able to work on the mechanic side of that really helps when you're trying to get something, because most of the time when people can't fix something, they'll sell it off cheap. So it was a really awesome blessing for us. And now we have the cutest little Polaris that I feel like is a little bit smaller than other ones I've seen. And this will allow my mom and I to handle it a little bit better. So that's kind of awesome. And this is probably one of my most favorite parts of it. Let me show you. It has a handlebar in there for the passenger to hold on to. I just think that that is so awesome. That just tells me this thing books. So I'm pretty excited about it. I think it's gonna be super amazing. And he's already done stuff like taking it to his fabricator guy that he knows, and they fixed the latches that were broken on the doors. So, I mean, it didn't come in perfect condition by any means, and it definitely needed work. But if you were willing to put in a little bit of elbow grease and a little bit of knowledge, you know, change out things like shocks, stuff like that, it's got a lot of potential, that's for sure. He had a friend give him a spare tire, so it's just kind of neat. It came with these cool little ammo boxes strapped to it already, so super awesome. I think it's gonna be a very good asset for us in the farm. It's gonna be a fun little toy to be able to use. Perfect example of buying dirt, not diamonds. This is an asset for our property. Thanks for watching. We're praying that you're blessed. Remember, buy dirt, not diamonds. We'll see you soon.